Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Corolla brake pads. First, gather all necessary tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. You will also need new brake pads and possibly new rotors. Always work on a level surface and engage your parking brake for safety. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you're working on before lifting the vehicle. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Once the car is securely on jack stands and the wheel is off, you can begin. Locate the two caliper guide bolts, usually 14 or 17 millimeters, and remove them. Gently slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor. You might need to use a C-clamp to push the piston back slightly if it's tight. Hang the caliper securely with a bungee cord or wire. Never let it hang by the brake hose. Now, it's time to install the new pads. Use a C-clamp or a specialized tool to fully compress the caliper piston. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Insert the new brake pads, ensuring the shims and hardware are correctly seated. Slide the caliper back over the rotor and reinsert the guide bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Double-check all connections before moving on. After reinstalling the wheel and lowering the vehicle, it's vital to pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This seats the new pads against the rotor and ensures proper brake function. Take a short, slow test drive to confirm everything works correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.